Hello friends! Today we will learn about air transport. These vehicles fly in the sky. Come, let us meet them.
I am an aeroplane. I fly very high in the sky. I take people to far places. I help you travel fast. I am a helicopter. I can go up and down. I can land anywhere. I help and rescue and travel.
I am a rocket. I fly into space. I take astronauts to the moon and stars. I am very fast and powerful.
I am a hot air balloon. I fly with hot air. I move slowly in the sky. I give a fun ride to people.
Very good, children. Today we learned about air transport. Air transport means vehicles that fly in the sky. The aeroplane flies from airports. People buy tickets to sit inside it. A helicopter has big moving blades. These blades help it fly and stop. The rocket is made by scientists. It is very strong and powerful. The hot air balloon uses hot air to go up. When the air cools, it comes down slowly. All air vehicles need trained drivers. Pilots and scientists control them. Excellent, children. We will meet.
Hello, children. I am letter C. I am third letter in alphabet. Cat, cake, cow, car all start with me. Say with me, letter C.
I am a cat. I say meow. I like to play and sleep. My name starts with C. I am a cake. I am sweet and yummy. Children eat me on birthdays. My name starts with C.
I am a cow.
I give healthy milk. I live on a farm. My name starts with C.
I am a car. I take you to school and home. I run on the road. My name starts with C.
Very good, children. Today we learned a new letter, C. We saw many C words today. Cat says meow and starts with C. Cake is sweet and starts with C. C for cow. Cow gives us milk. Next is car. Car helps us travel and starts with the letter C. All these words begin with the letter C. Say with me, letter C. You all did a wonderful job today, kids. We will meet.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn 2 new words. They are in and out. Let us see this little ladybug. Come, let us watch what she is doing. Hello, I am inside the jar. I am in the jar. See, I am safe and sitting inside. When I am inside, I am in. Now the lid is open. I am coming outside. I am jumping out. See, now I am out of the jar.
Very good, children. When something is inside, we say in. When something comes outside, we say out. The ladybug was in the jar, then she came out of the jar. In means inside. Out means outside. Now let me give you some example. When toys are in the box, they are in. When you take them out, they are out. Very good, children. You all learned very well today. We will...
Hello, friends. Today we will learn a new shape. Look at this round shape. It is called a circle. Come, let us trace it together. Round and round. Let's follow this dotted line.
Very good, children. This is a circle. A circle is round and smooth. It has no corners. It has no straight lines. Wonderful. Children, today we learned the circle shape.
Hello friends! Today we will learn about hot and cold. Some food is hot, some food is cold. Come, let us see. I am tea. I am hot and warm. Steam comes from me. Drink me slowly. I am soup. I am hot and tasty. I keep your tummy warm. Blow and eat me. I am juice. I am cold and fresh. I make you feel cool, yummy and healthy.
I am ice cream. I am very cold. I melt in the sun. I am sweet and fun.
Very good, children. Tea and soup are hot. They give us warmth. Juice and ice cream are cold. They help us feel cool. Hot food needs care. Cold food feels nice in summer. Always eat slowly and safely. Today we learned hot and cold foods. Excellent, children.
Hello, friends. I am letter G. I come after F in the alphabet. I help make many words. Say with me, letter G.
I am a girl. G for girl. I like to play. I love flowers and toys. My name starts with letter G.
I am a goat. I eat grass and leaves. I give milk. My name starts with letter G.
I am a gorilla. I am big and strong. I live in the forest. G for gorilla.
I am a gun. I am used by police and soldiers. They use me to protect people. My name also starts with letter G.
Very good, children. Today we learned the letter G. We saw many G words. Girl, goat, gorilla, and gun. All start with the letter G. Children, this is a girl. She's kind and helps her friends. This is a goat. It lives on farms and gives us milk. Look at the gorilla. It is a wild animal and lives in jungles. This is a gun. Only trained people use it carefully. You did a great job today.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn about emotions. Emotions tell us how we feel. Come, let us see every emotion.
I am happy. I smile and laugh. I feel good when I play with my friends. I love happy moments.
I am sad. I feel unhappy sometimes. I feel sad when I lose my toy, but I feel better when someone hugs me. I am shy. I smile softly. I feel shy when I meet new friends. I feel brave slowly.
I am excited. My eyes shine bright. I feel excited on my birthday.
I am laughing. Ha ha ha! I laugh when I hear a funny joke. Laughing makes me happy. I am crying. Tears come from my eyes. I cry when I get hurt.
Good job, children. These are our feelings. We feel happy when we play. We feel sad when we miss someone. We feel shy with new friends. We feel excited on birthdays. We laugh when something is funny. We cry when we are hurt. Remember, all feelings are okay. You did great today, kids.
Hello.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.